Now let's take a step beyond into Gauntlet USD Alpha or gtUSDa, because this kind of takes it a layer above. As I had mentioned, we have a vault that is lending to different markets, but in reality, Gauntlet as a curator is running over 40 different stablecoin vaults across different supply assets, chains, and risk profiles. So let's now consider 3 vaults here. We have, let's say we have USDC on ETH. We have USDT on ETH. And we have USDC on Base. And each of these vaults are going to be coming with a different kind of risk parameters that we are managing. Let's say the USDC vault on ETH is yielding 3% and is 100% liquid, which means we can withdraw 100% of our position if we deposit. USDT could be yielding 3.5%, also 100% liquid, but let's say there's a 50 bips round trip cost. If we're in USDC and we're swapping into USDT, we are incurring an immediate execution cost. And so we need to account for that there. And then let's say for USDC on Base, we're yielding 7% or 20% liquid. And we have a 15-minute bridge time. How do we allocate across these 3 markets? For a user who is coming in looking for a target yield profile and a target liquidity profile, that point in time decision can be, easy. I want high yield. I'm going to have the position open for a long time, so an immediate execution cost is no issue. So I'll go to USDT. Or, liquidity, I have a small position, or I'm comfortable with the liquidity risk. I'll go to USDC on Base for a higher yield. That being said, all of these parameters here are quite volatile in the market. 100% liquid vault can change in liquidity profile quite quickly. We can see massive shifts in execution cost. So it might have been 50 bips from USDC to USDT, but we see a liquidity drawdown on the secondary liquidity, and that now is 1%. And generally, this requires a lot of constant monitoring. Now, this is where gtUSDa comes in. gtUSDa sits a layer above and makes these allocation decisions subject to the methodology of the vault. What is my target yield profile? What is my target liquidity profile? And how do I constantly monitor my execution costs and my trade sizing to make sure I'm responding to these changing dynamics appropriately?